Indian Navy. Waves of power. Each vessel a fortress. Aircraft carriers. Stealth frigates and deadly destroyers. All combat ready. Armed to defend. Beneath the waves, submarines glide silently. Trained crews monitor every ripple, every sound.
The Indian Navy remains ready and stood to not only to protect and preserve our maritime frontiers, but also to promote and pursue national maritime interests wherever they may be.
As global security dynamics evolve, the collaboration among the Army, Navy and Air Force is vital for uniting against multi-domain threats. This collaboration boosts operational efficiency, enabling swift, decisive action in both peace and conflict. The Indian Ocean is the lifeblood of trade, connecting nations and driving global commerce. As the guardian of these waters, the Indian Navy secures vital sea lanes that support India's economy. With unyielding resolve, our forces patrol the waters, ready to confront any looming threat to our maritime interests, while also rendering assistance to ships in distress, even in the toughest situations. Building partnerships across oceans, the Indian Navy is at the forefront in participating in bilateral and multilateral exercises. These collaborative efforts not only bolster our collective defense capabilities, but also ensure a united response to emerging maritime challenges. The Indian Navy proudly embraces the Make in India initiative, constructing world-class warships, a testament to India's self-reliance and technological prowess. Innovation fuels our readiness. From advanced drones to autonomous systems and state-of-the-art technology, we are prepared to tackle the challenges of the future. Events like Swavlamban showcase groundbreaking innovations that drive India's maritime self-reliance. Being the first responder, the Indian Navy is always prepared to undertake humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations. From cyclones to floods, our disaster relief missions provide aid and solace, saving lives in the most challenging circumstances.
Trident, are you ready?
Yes, sir!
Behind every operation, every mission, and every success, our personnel are the backbone of the Navy. From rigorous training to unwavering commitment, they are the true strength that drives us forward. In Navika Sagar Parikrama 2, circumnavigation by 2 women officers symbolizes endurance and women empowerment.
I believe that Indian Navy is every Indian's Navy. It represents each one of us, our hopes, dreams, aspirations, and ambitions as a maritime nation.
Anchored in tradition, driven by technology powered by valor. The Indian Navy sails ahead, securing the seas and shaping India's destiny with every wave. Indian Navy, combat ready. Credible, cohesive, and a future-ready force, safeguarding national maritime interest, anytime, anywhere, anyhow.